Practice set 9.1, question 1. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid shaped box of medicine is 20 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Find the surface area of the vertical faces and the total surface area of the box. First we'll write down what is given. Length is 20 centimeter. So we write L equal to 20 centimeter. Breadth is 12 centimeter, B equal to 12 centimeter, and height of the box is 10 centimeter. So we write here 10 centimeter. What have they asked? Surface area of the vertical faces means the vertical surface area of a cuboid. Now vertical surface area of a cuboid is given by the formula 2h bracket L plus B. So 2 into H into L plus B. So that is 2 into H here is 10. See what is L plus B? L is 20, B is 12. So 20 plus 12. 2 into 10 is 20. Here when we add 20 plus 12. 20 plus 12 is 32. Now we multiply. This is equal to 32 into 2. That is 64 and the 0. So 0. So 640. What are the units they were talking about here? You see centimeter they were talking about. And we are finding the area. Therefore area is always in square centimeter. So area is given as 640 square centimeters. So the vertical surface area of the cuboid is 640 square centimeter. Now they have also asked the total surface area of this box. So total surface area of the box. First we write what is the formula. We know what is the formula. That is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. So this will be equal to, now we see here what is given. L is 20, B is 12, H is 10. So according to that, 20 into 12 plus 12 into 10 plus 20 into 10. Okay, so once we finish writing this, now we will simplify it further. Is equal to 2. 20 into 12. 12 2s are 24 and this 0. So 240. 12 10s are 120. 20 10s are 200. So this is equal to 2 bracket. Now we add all this. Here we have 240 and 120. 240 plus 120 is 360 plus 200 is 560. So 2 into 560. So 2 into 500 is 1000. 2 into 60 is 120. So it will be 1120 or 1120. We are talking about area and I said it will be in square centimeter. So here 1120 square centimeter. So this first question we had considered about a cuboid. So we will go to the questions wherever cuboid is there and first complete that of practice set 9.1. Then go to the questions which contain cube and lastly the questions which refer to cylinder. So the second question again is of a cuboid. So we go to that now. Second question, total surface area of a box of cuboid shape is 500 square units. Its breadth and height are 6 units and 5 units respectively. What is the length of that box? So first we'll put down the breadth and height of this cuboid shaped box. 6 units and 5 units they said. So we write here breadth is 6 units, height is 5 units. Okay, B and H is written. Total surface area is given as 500 square units. So we write here 500 square units. Okay, now the formula for the total surface area of the box. Total surface area of the cuboid is given as 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L or L into H. So we can write LB, BH and HL. We don't have to write L into B, B into H or H into L. Now we'll put the values. Total surface area is given as 500. So below this we write 500 is equal to 2. Now L we do not know. L will be written as it is. So L into B here is 6 plus B into H 6 into 5 plus H into L, that is 5 into L. So 500 is equal to 2 bracket 6 into L is 6L plus 6 into 5 is 30 plus 5 into L is 5L. Now here 6L plus 5L can be added and written as 11L. We take 2 to the other side. It is multiplying there. Here it will divide. 500 divided by 2 is equal to. Now since 2 is taken on the other side, now we don't have the brackets. 6L plus 5L will be 11L plus this 30. Now while dividing, 2 goes in 500 or half of 500 is 250 is equal to 11L plus 30. We take 30 to the other side. 250 minus 30 is equal to 11L. 250 minus 30 will be 220 equal to 11L. Okay, we'll exchange the sides now. 11L equal to 220. Left hand side will become right hand side. Right hand side is left hand side. Therefore, L is equal to 220 upon 11. 11 goes in 22, 2 times. 11 goes in 0, 0 times. Now, what were the units here they were talking about? They said units itself. Therefore, L will be in units only, that is 20 units. And what is the question they had asked? What is the length of that box? So, we write the last statement. Therefore, the length of the box is equal to 20 units. Going to the fifth question, volume of a cuboid is 34.50 cubic meter. Breadth and height of a cuboid are 1.5 meter and 1.15 meter respectively. Find its length. We'll put the values here. Breadth is given as 1.5 meter. So I write here 1.5 meter. Height is given as 1.15 meter. So I have written that. Volume also is given as 34.50 cubic meter. Now, volume of the cuboid, if you remember, it is given by the formula length into breadth into height, that is L into B into H. So I write here L into B into H. Now I put the values here. Volume is 34.50. So below volume of a cuboid, I write 34.50 is equal to, L is not given. So I write L as it is. B is given, that is 1.5. H is given, that is 1.15. So I write that. So now I have to find out what is L. So I take both this B into H to the other side. It will come in the denominator. So now 34.50 upon, we take here 1.5 into 1.15 is equal to L. Now what we do is here, we write this 1.5 as 15 upon 10 and 1.15 as 115 upon 100 for our convenience. Okay, so 34.50 upon here, this will be 15 upon 10 into 115 upon 100. Now these denominators 10 and 100 go back to the numerator. Okay, in the next step. So we see 34.50 into this 10 which is gone to the numerator into this 100 which has gone to the numerator upon, now what is left here, 15 into 115. So here now we simplify this further. We can also write this 34.50 as 3450 divided by 100. So we'll write one more step, 3450 upon 100 into 10 into 100, then this denominator what is left here into 15 into 115 is equal to L. Now let us simplify. This 100 goes off, right? Then we have 5 goes in 10 2 times, 5 goes in 15 3 times. Okay, then now this is done. We'll see here whether 3 goes in 3450. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 3 goes here. So we cancel here. 3 goes in 3 once. 3 goes in 4 once. 1 remains. In 15 it goes 5 times. In 0 it goes 0 times. Now I have here, so 3 is going in this, we have cancelled it. Now 115 goes in 1150. So 115 goes in 1150 10 times. So what is left now? Just 10 and 2. So 10 into 2 is 20. So 20 is equal to L, or we can write in the next step, L is equal to 20. The units used here were meter. Okay, so we see here they have used meter. So L is equal to 20 meter, and the question was to find the length. Therefore the length of the cuboid is equal to 20 meter.